Hello everybody, today I will be making coconut blueberry muffins. Yes, with coconut flour. I'm going to be using coconut flour. Here I have in this bowl 1 cup of coconut flour, and I'm also going to add 1 cup of stevia. Yes, I know I'm using this kind of stevia, but you go ahead and use the drops or monk fruit or whichever one you choose. Next I will be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and we give it a quick mix. Next we're adding 1 cup of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next I'm adding 4 eggs, which this recipe you actually need is 6 eggs, and I suggest you use the 6 eggs. Now I'm going to add half and half cream, or you can use any other milk of your choice, which is keto. Okay, so what I did here is I rinsed the box since that was my last bit of my cream, and that same I'm going to add some water, and I will be just adding that as if it was my plain water. Give it a quick mix and add the 1 cup of water and give it a quick mix again. Now what I'm going to add is 1 cup of blueberries, but for now I only have frozen and I'm trying to get rid of these frozen ones, but I suggest you use fresh blueberries. It comes out much tastier, more better. The consistency comes out more better when it's fresh blueberries. Don't forget that the frozen blueberries carry more liquid. Try to kind of not make it too soft, the dough. And now to give it a good mix. Alright, so we're going to grab my machine, which is a muffin maker, and I'm going to warm this up and spray it with olive oil and close it. And once the light turns on green, then it's ready to put in my batter. Okay, so the light turned green. Now it's time to put in my batter. I'm not filling it too much, just right on the level, and then I'm just going to close it and leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes passed, and I'm going to give this a check with this little thing here, and I'll put it in the middle and take it out and see if it's dry. If it's dry, well, it looks dry, so these muffins are ready and ready to take out. So I'm taking these out and putting them on my plate. They came out so nice and golden. And again, we repeat the same process. We spray it and then put the batter in there. Now if you're using the oven, then you will be putting it on 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. The next batch, you can see that it is still not ready, and it came out a little bit moist, so I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes and it should be done. Okay, so the second batch is ready and I'm taking them out. You can use strawberries, you can use any type of berries that is keto friendly. It does not have to be blueberries. Okay, so out of this I got 3 batches, which is half a dozen each, and that's how much I got on this amount of batter. Well, my friends, there's the results. I hope you try it out. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, share my video. I hope you really try this recipe out. It's very delicious. Thank you all for watching. See you again soon. Bye.